So I'm only 10 days away from hopefully successfully defending my thesis. And so I need to focus on working on my presentation. But I wanted to point people to a page I made the other day on my blog where I just put together links to all of the various posts I have on grad school related topics. So everything from what is grad school like what is a PhD pathway, applying for grad school, surviving grad school, who's who in the lab, study suggestions, lab tips, thesis writing tips, what is a thesis, all of that sort of thing. Here, so these are all links to various posts that I've done on these topics. So like help with PhD, like writing papers and that sort of thing. And then I also have, I have on my YouTube channel, so I'm the Bubbling Biochemist, for anyone who doesn't know, you can just search for me. I have this grad school stuff playlist, and there's videos there that you can check out if you're interested. So I'm just trying to make it easier for people to find these resources, because people have been asking me questions about grad school and about this sort of thing. And so it was just, I thought I'd put it all together, and so people can easily find those posts. Yeah, so now I got to get back to working on my thesis, which, if you want to watch a video and find out, is a really, well, actually, I'm not working on my thesis right now. I'm working on my thesis dissertation. So basically, like, the thesis is this long written document that summarizes, like, all the work you've been doing. Then, at least here, you give, like, a presentation of that work, and then you get, like, questioned and stuff. And so I'm working on preparing for the presentation part of that work, which is in 10 days. And so, and next week I'm giving like an in-house seminar, so like a talk for just like, it's like the RNA in-house, so like people in the lab that are interested in RNA stuff. Like, by lab, I mean like Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, so like the whole like campus. And then on Thursday I give a practice talk for my lab. And then the next Tuesday, I give the real thing. So I'm excited but nervous, and so I've been working on preparing my slides, getting a little too sucked into protein structures. I mean, they're just so pretty. I'm trying to make some last figures, and then trying to figure out how to not stress too much, but make sure that I'm well prepared. So yeah, so I'm back to it, and hope that stuff helps some people.